Turn off the grinder. Disconnect the plug from the power source. Loosen the hopper security screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Check that the bean trap is fully closed and remove the hopper. Turn the adjustment brake clockwise to tighten the grinding regulator. Insert the tool or a number 8 hex Allen key into the hexagonal holes and turn it in the direction indicated by the icons. Pull up on the grind regulator to access the grinding cavity. Use a number 3 hex Allen key to loosen the screw securing the coffee exit chute, located on top of the grinding chamber. Remove it by pulling downward. Before cleaning the coffee exit chute, use a number 2 hex Allen key to loosen the screw securing the metal grid. Remove the grid to prevent any damage. Clean the buildup of coffee grounds and oils to ensure consistent dosing and the proper functioning of the grinder. When reassembling, ensure that the metal grid is inside the exit chute and is positioned as shown. Insert the exit chute, aligning it with the 2 pins of the grind chamber marked in red, until it fits completely. Use a number 3 hex Allen key to tighten the screw securing the coffee exit chute. Clean the interior using a brush or vacuum cleaner and remove any coffee residue. Before installing the grind regulator, ensure that the surfaces marked in red are completely clean and free of dust. Before reinstalling to the grinder, ensure that the surfaces marked in red are completely clean and free of dust. Insert the grind regulator, aligning it with the 3 pins of the grind chamber marked in red, until it fits completely. Turn the tools or a number 8 hex Allen key in the direction indicated by the icons to close the mechanism. Install the hopper back and open the bean trap. Tighten the hopper security screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Connect the plug to the power source and turn on the grinder. You've completed the exit chute maintenance.